Hi, in this lecture, we'll be looking at the control linkages and control horns assembly on the UAV. Start by locating the control linkages in the package. You'll find 4 in total, 2 longer and 2 shorter ones. We begin with the longer ones, which are used for the wing. Attach one end of a linkage to the servo arm, as shown in the video. Next, take the control horn parts, also shown in the video. Use the 2 screws provided to assemble the control horn. Then, install the control horn on the wing's control surface and connect the other end of the control linkage to it. The role of the control linkages is to transfer the servo's movement to the control surfaces, allowing the aircraft to be controllable during flight. Repeat the same steps for the second wing servo. Attach the linkage to the servo arm, assemble the control horn, install it, and connect the linkage. Now we move on to the tail section. Please note that the holes on the tail servo arms might be too small for the control linkages to fit. To widen them, simply screw in one of the spare screws from the kit to enlarge the hole slightly, as demonstrated in the video. Next, connect servo extension cables to the tail servos. This will allow the cables to reach the main body. You can use a bit of hot glue to help with cable management, securing the wires neatly in place. Then, clear any excess glue. Optionally, you can also use duct tape to hide or route the cables neatly inside the wing. The final step in this lecture is to label the servo connections, so you'll know which connector corresponds to which control surface later on. Great job! You have successfully assembled the control linkages and control horns. Now, let's move on to the next lecture, where we will work on assembling the electric motor. See you there!